guys, welcome back to this new video. Today, well, I was going to destroy something, but nope, can't destroy anything today. So what am I going to do for this week's episode? Well, about mid-2019, I did get a new phone, and I did film the unboxing of it, but I never posted it, and I don't know why. So, cue the cringy unboxing music. And now that I've unboxed it, I've turned it on, and right now, yep, it's finished. So now it's time to start setting up. So I'll select my language, which is English United Kingdom. I'll let it load. Then I'll get my iPhone, because that was the phone I was using at the time. And insert SIM. I chose ID Mobile, not because I like them or anything, just because they had the best deal at the time. They sent the SIM card with the phone, so I'll just take that out and pop it in. It's a bit tough to open. And yeah, taking out the SIM card tray and popping it in. It'll take a few minutes, but then it should load. And I'll put this SIM tool back. And there we go, it's done. And now it's asking to connect it to Wi-Fi, so I'll just do that right quick. And now it's saying that it wants me to connect it to the iPhone so I can transfer all of my data. So I'll just plug that in using the included adapter and plug it into the iPhone. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I've been using the Google ecosystem for the past year and a half with the Google Home Mini in my bedroom, the Google Pixel 3a official case, which I have on here, and it's been a very good experience. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.